How to find and see your review activity on your Instagram account. Hello guys, today I will show you how to do this. Just watch the video until the end. The first step is going to Instagram, then opening it. After that, when your Instagram is opening, go down and open your profile. Then you go on this three line and click. Then go to settings and click again, and then go to account, and then go down and go to this option review activity, and here you can find your review activity. As you see, I don't have any review of my Instagram account. And that's it guys, I hope this video is useful and helpful for you. Don't forget to like and subscribe in our channel, and see you next video.